Hi everybody, this is Tracy with Tracy's Art and Craft here, and I am here to bring you a video from beebeecraft. So I've received some items kindly gifted to me by beebeecraft to show you guys, to show you roughly what they sell and things like that. Yeah, I've been on the website, I've had a real good look around. It does at first look like they only sell beads and things like that, but they don't. They do sell other crafting and sewing materials and things. So do go have a real good look through their website. Because if you look at just like the first few pages, it does look like they only sell beads, but actually they sell other things. So I've decided to choose some other things that they sell, just so I can show you the types of things that they do sell. So we're going to get to the unboxing. I have opened it just so that I could check that everything had arrived okay before bringing it on. But here are all the lovely treats that I got. So they do deliver to the UK. I looked at their delivery costs. From what I could tell, it's about £4.99 unless you go over £30. I think you still get it for free here in the UK. Don't 100% quote me on that. Definitely do go down to the bottom of their page. They have a bit where it says about deliveries and returns. You could go on there and you could get all the information that you need, but they definitely do deliver to the UK. So the first thing I got are these lovely, I don't know what you call them. I use them for dangles. They're some sort of ring. I use them for dangles for my journals. Let me just open this up and I'll show you. I haven't used these in a while. I've had trouble, to be honest with you, finding them cheap enough here in the UK to even constitute buying them. But beebeecraft do sell them actually very cheaply. I haven't got all the prices here with me, but I will have them all linked down in the description box, so do go check that out. Each item has its own link and the store has its link as well. So I have sorted all that out for you. But basically what I do is I pop them on the spine of my journal and they pop on like a brad or split pin as we call them. So you just pop them through and then split them again, and that holds them tight. And then from there you can hang all sorts of things on. You could use them at the end of a journal to put your ties on as well, to tie your journal closed. So yeah, lots of uses, and I will be doing videos on how I use all of these and showing you the different ways in which I use them. So that's those. They come in lovely containers. I absolutely love the packaging that they come in, because you can keep that stored just like that, and that's really handy. So that's one positive. You don't always get that in the likes of Amazon and things. Sometimes you do, but not always. Another thing I have bought is this beautiful lace. Well, ribbon really, trim. There we go, that's the word, trim. It's absolutely gorgeous with beautiful daisies on there and leaves. I will be using this in a video showing you how I make a dangle. That will come next week. I'll also be using it on some of my journal as well, so I can show you how I use those. But that is absolutely lovely, really good price for that, and you get absolutely loads. I cannot remember how many yards. I need to look all this up really. I will put look in the description box. I will put how many yards is on this spool of ribbon. I cannot remember how many, but I will put it in the description box, so do go read that down there, and that will have exactly how much is on there. But it is absolutely lovely, really thick as well, surprisingly thick. Probably just because of the embroidery, but it's really, really nice. I do like that. I'm going to have so many uses for this. It's going to be lovely. And next I've got two lots of different stamps. Now I love my stamps. I have so many. But I got these thinking I can make something showing you that they do sell stamps as well. They sell so many, it was really hard to choose from. I chose two different ones. to test out with you guys. We're going to test them out again in another video. That will be in 2 weeks' time. But they are absolutely lovely. I love their stamps. They had so many. I wanted all of them, to be honest with you. They had quite a few that I had never seen before. So these were just your average silicone stamps, but I got ticket ones. So you can see they're all the different tickets. These are really handy because you can then go and make all your own tickets. You don't need to do printables. So those of you that don't have a printer, buying something like this and just buying one thing like this is going to last you ages. You're going to keep using them. You can keep making all your own individual tickets. You can make them from all different papers, all different colour papers, all different card, thin paper, one-sided, double-sided. You can do all sorts of different things with them, and they just keep going on and on and on. Also, you do get these two, they're joined together, but they are two little postmarks. So other than your stamps and your tickets and things, labels, you also have little postmarks there which you can just use on everything. If you've seen my videos, you know how much I love postmarks. Anything postal. Then this one is another big favourite of mine, although I haven't used these very often on my channel. And these are background stamps, but I do have plans to use them. Now these ones are unmounted foam rubber stamps, and they are sticky on the back, so they're very sticky. Of course, when the sticky runs out, you can top it up with removable adhesive. You can either spray it on, or you can get ones which are tape. I don't usually bother. I tend to use these honestly by hand, so when they lose their sticky, they're actually more use to me. Another way you could do it though is to permanently mount them onto a block of wood. That is also possible. Now, my favourite ones in these are the flourishes, these sort of background ones. I do quite like the flower though. I didn't realise they had the lines on, and I love that because I'm a mixed media artist, so that actually has more use for me than, say, a flower stamp that is plain, because I would have to do more to get that stamp to look rough and rugged and things. So that is all the bits that I got from beebeecraft. I'm really looking forward to making the videos for you guys. I really am, because I'm really looking forward to playing with these things. Let's see if I can get them so you can see them all. There we go. So yeah, they are all the bits. They're all listed down in the description box, but also for you guys, they have also been kind enough to give me a code where if you put in Tracy5, they will give you £5 off your order. So yeah, that's also, all details of that are in the description box as well. You know, I fill all the description box with all the information that you're going to need. Yeah, and yeah, I think that is everything. I think I've covered everything. It's beebeecraft. Oh, in the United States also, you can get free delivery from them if you spend over £30, I think. Trust me, $30, sorry, not pounds, dollars. It's in dollars. If you're shopping and you're from the UK, the website converts that for you. So there's no need to try to convert dollars into pounds. It's already done for you. So the conversion rate is already done. I found that quite difficult because they'd give me a set amount in dollars and I had to reconvert from pounds back to dollars. But it's easy for you guys when you're shopping. You don't have to worry about any of that whatsoever. They say that the delivery takes 15 to 20 days. I also had the same delivery, 15 to 20 days. I have to be honest with you, it came a lot quicker. It depends though fully on our postal service, and if you're in the UK, do bear in mind that we do have custom rates. They're not very high. I have had to pay custom rates quite a few times. I do tend to order from all over the world, and custom rates are actually very minimal. They're not bad whatsoever. So if it does hit customs, you've made a big order, for instance, I cannot remember what the limit is now in the UK. It's very low now. They've changed it. It's just a couple of pounds. So just make sure you have a few pounds set aside ready for your custom rates. But yeah, if you want more information about that, you can look that up online if you're from the UK. But if you're from the United States, you don't have any custom rates at all. They do sell worldwide, sorry. They do sell worldwide. Yeah, and I absolutely love their products. Really excited to, I've had a quick look at them. They seem very good quality. I'm very excited to use them. And yeah, I will see you next time. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Take care. Everything you need is in that description box, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bye.